and investors. By the end of this video, you will know how I completely analyze and break down a real estate investment property. Let's first start, where did I find the property? I found this property from a wholesaler that sent me an email indicating that they had a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a carriage house on the west side of Indianapolis. So initially, this meets some of my criteria. Criteria is a baseline of what kind of properties that I buy. So with that, they had a purchase price of $98,000 and an ARV after repair value of $220,000. After some early kind of investigation on the ARV, I found that more like $175,000 to $200,000 is more realistic. Had to do a little more investigation on that, but I use stuff like batch leads and backflip and PropWire and Zillow. Zillow's free. Zillow actually gives you a lot more information than you think. Don't just go off this estimate, do some research. So looking at the pictures, I looked at about 25 pictures, and I definitely can tell you it's a pretty big rehab, probably in the $70,000 range. Where we could save some money, there wouldn't be a lot of high-end stuff. This would be just a rental, so I wouldn't put, high granite and high-end stuff in there. So where we break that down, we'll take the ARV, and for just the example, we'll do $200,000. And then that $200,000, we got to take the $70,000 of repair costs out of that. So that already puts us at $130,000. And so we'll take the $130,000 times 0.7. I don't have my calculator on me, but that's where you can help me. So I'll put it on the screen of what the actual formula is. So we would do the purchase price minus the repair times 0.7, and that will give us our MAO, our maximum allowable offer. And I think I'm a little off. I think it was close to $80,000, somewhere between $72,000 and $80,000, and they had an asking price of $98,000. So obviously, two things need to be done on my end. I need to shore up that ARV. Is it $175,000? Is it $200,000? Because that's a pretty big difference. But we will side on $175,000 if I can't find enough comparable properties. I don't even know where they got that $220,000 from, but that's what they came up with. So what we'll do after we get that maximum allowable offer, I definitely want to go see the property. I'm going to go see the property on Saturday, make sure that $70,000 repair actually holds up. Definitely going to need a lot of drywall work. I'm assuming a lot of electrical work, but it doesn't look super bad. So when we go look at it, if ever all the numbers hold up, so then what we'll do is we'll make a formal offer, and what they call an EMD, earnest money deposit of $1,000. You got to be careful with some of these wholesalers because they'll ask for earnest money deposits and they really don't even have the contract, so they really can't take any money from you. So you have to make sure that you work with a good title company to make sure that everything is being done correctly. So we'd put that offer in, write up any type of contingency we want, whether we want a finance contingency, a as-is contingency, anything we want. For say if they're asking for 98, we offer 75, they come back at 80, we like that number, then we'll accept the offer, we'll close the deal, and then we'll start the rehab. So one thing that we did miss out of this whole thing is all them numbers work just for like flip formula, but we have to make sure that the property will rent out, we'll make enough rental income. So I know for a 4.2, I'm pretty sure Section 8 will give you at least $1,400. So we have to be $1,400, and if we're $140,000 invested, we're at the 1% rule, which is a rule I like. So we would, if we bought it at 80, put 70 into it, that's 150. We'd have to rent it for $1,500 to make the income we want to make. So the deal's getting pretty close. I think that this one might be worth looking into. So what I ask for you guys is if you think that this is a winner, leave it in the comments. Let me know. If you think this deal is a piece of crap, leave me a piece of crap emoji and I'll know it's a piece of crap. Now, what we will do is if we come up with the number and I like the property, we will make an offer. We'll do a live video of me calling the person that has it under contract, and we'll make an offer, and we'll see where that goes. I think that'd be kind of fun. I've never really did a live on here before. So I hope that this helped you out a little bit. I hope I didn't ramble too much about it. We can break down each part if you want. Just leave it in the comment. Tell me what part I'm missing or what I can elaborate on a little more. But this would be a really big step forward in my investing career, and we can get this property locked up before the end of the year, and keep going strong, and make sure that we're obtaining the goals that we've set forth. So if you guys have any questions about the video, just leave it in the comment. If you think anybody else would enjoy this content, hit that share button. If you want to see more of my stuff, check out the profile, follow the channel, and we'll get back at it really soon, and hopefully we'll make an offer sometime soon. Thanks for watching.